Welcome and welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today we're gonna go ahead and try a new product to me in my hair. So if you're ready to see that, go ahead and make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and get ready to leave me a comment. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get into this product here. This is the ANNABELLE'S Perfect Blend Honey. It's a 3-in-1. Okay, so as you can see, it's in this cute honey bottle here. And you know, if you like honey, give this video a thumbs up. Whether you eat it, use it on your skin, or use it in your hair. Honey is one of those ingredients that can be universally used. And because of that, what's not to love about it? Okay, so let me go ahead and show y'all what it looks like. As you can see, this is in packaging that is suitable for the title. Nice clear honey jar yellow top. We have the ingredients in the back. It's always sealed. There goes that goodness. Get a good look at that. Creamy. This has the consistency of lotion, which makes it great. And I'm assuming right now, because I haven't done it, but I think this is going to squeeze out of this packaging nicely here. See that it's easy to spread. It's giving my skin a sheen. Nice. Okay. Now let's see if this is going to squeeze out nicely. Okay, y'all, here we go. Yep, squeezes out, no issues at all. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, 3-in-1 tells me it's a one and done type of product. So, okay, maybe it's twist out. I don't know, something where I could just twist my hair up and just, you know, just see what it does. Okay, so as you can see, it's soaking straight into my strands. It really is. It's really not sitting on them. But I don't know why I did that, y'all. Let me get some of my detangled hair out the way. down. I think I'm going to do 6 of these. Keeping it super simple. I'm starting off with a braid and switching into a 2-strand twist. So far, I like this product. I think this is just something that just came to mind. I think this would be super cool to use in a kid's hair. Can you imagine a child that really don't want their hair done, but you bust out with this? May have them sit for a bit. It does further help soften the hair. I think this is, and yes, it is helping me detangle. This is definitely an everyday product, in my opinion. It's nice and light, doesn't feel sticky. So if anyone was wondering, is it sticky because it has honey in it? No, it's not. Okay, I'm going to finish this up and then I will come back once it's all done so you can take a look at it. Okay, so as you can see, I am all the way done. And this was very smooth, felt good on my hands. It didn't feel like it was like packed full or just like it was just water. Those oils are clearly in there. It gets a little bit slip, you know, but it's not like if you're looking for this to have the most slip that there is in the world, it's not gonna have that. I think this product is nice. I think it's a nice everyday product. I think it's a product that the whole family can use, and I think it would be especially nice to use on kids. I am going to probably diffuse this a little bit just because this is winter time, and you know, well, it's about 1:30 in the afternoon. I don't know if it's going to be dry by tomorrow, especially where I started with the braid at, and my braids take longer to dry than my 2-strand twist. So we will see. I just kept it simple, super duper simple. And this is the season for simple, especially if you're a busy mom like me, trying to do whatever you need to do real quick, get your hair moist, washed, deep conditioned, moisturized in whatever style, whether it's out in some braids, underneath a wig, or whatever. I think this is great, even if you're about to go in and blow out your hair, because I think this product is light enough for that. So something to think about. Okay, roses, we're back. Let me go ahead and get this hair tingled down since I've done all this extraness. And let's get into it. So, get a little bit of oil. Try not to get it on me. Oil I'm using is the Annabelle's hair and body oil, and I have used it on my hair and body. just in case anyone is wondering. It smells good. Okay, so I wound up not using a diffuser at all. No blow dry, no nothing, just air dried. And I believe it's all the way dry. I think. Uh-oh. No, it's not completely dry, that braided part, but we gonna make it work. More. Getting ahead of myself. Okay. There we have it. One thing I can tell you, my hair is not greasy at all. Not at all. This soaked right on into my strands. And I still stand by what I said before I was done. I believe this can be used as a leave-in, a cream, a styler. It is a all-in-one conditioning styling system. Y'all see it? Y'all see it right in front of your face. I started off with the braided about 4 down, if that makes sense to anyone who braids. So braid about 4 down, the rest of it chunky 2-strand twist. Y'all see it? Okay. Let me style this some kind of way. I'll try to style it down, even though y'all know I want to stick it up in a puff right now. But y'all see this, y'all see it. All this from this right here. Okay. I'm not mad at all. This is pretty. My strands soaked it all in. I can go in and put some oil on my scalp now. I did not top it with the oil or anything. The only thing I use is what you saw me use. That's it. Oh, one thing I didn't talk was the smell. I don't smell anything. It says there's fragrance in it, but that's at the very bottom, 3rd to last ingredient. Everything else is on top. So I don't smell it. I would say this is a non-scented product. This is the closest you're gonna come to non-scented. I don't smell anything other than basically what's in it. So, wow. Y'all, I need to start doing side parts. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that red button down there. Make sure it turns gray. Hit the bell next to it so you get all notifications, and that includes any posts I do on here, even those shorts. I haven't done any. Lately I've been doing Vlogmas, so if you haven't caught up on Vlogmas, you do want to go ahead and do so. I'm on day 6. My day 5, you'll get a real glimpse into Olena happy and what she does sometimes. I love my music, and I'm a woman who used to love to dance. Like, I'm talking about way back. Teenage years. Oh, this is cute, y'all. I don't know what the back is looking like. Okay, finger pluck just a little bit. But I'm not doing no more. This is cute. Y'all can't tell me nothing right now. Sis put on some makeup on today too. Doing this and ain't going nowhere but into my next episode of Vlogmas after this. For those that were waiting for me to try this, I did it, y'all. I did it as a one and done. Used it for what it says. This honey, it's a 3-in-1, meaning you really don't need anything else, and I believe it. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is cute. I could take a picture right now in my hoodie. I don't never dress up, do I? Oh, this is cute. Okay, so let me know what you think. Have you tried this? What product should I use next? Within what's left of my last Annabelle's Perfect Blend haul. You don't know what I got in my last haul? Make sure you go ahead and watch that video. You need to get caught up with all the Annabelle's Perfect Blend products I've used. Don't worry, I got a whole playlist waiting for you. Oh, this is cute. So anyway, this is another winner. I mean, look, are we surprised at this point? This is another winner. Another hair video for y'all. So I hope to see y'all in the next one. Other than that, roses, I will talk to you later. Bye.